Okay, so we're talking about Ohm's law, and Ohm's law states that electric current is proportional to voltage, and it's also inversely proportional to the resistance. So in this simulation here, I have it set up so um, voltage, we have 1 volt in this circuit and 330 ohms, and right now the current is 3 amps. So you can already kind of tell that the V is small, like alongside I, so the amps and volts are, you can see that they're already proportional. And so if I were to if I were like to double the amount of volts here to 2, it's like 6.1 amps now. And I left the resistance the same though, so if I double the amount of volts but keep the same amount of resistance, the amps is now 6.1, which is about double what I had before. And same goes if I were to triple it from the original, and now it's at 9.1, which is about 3 times more than what I started with. But then I can switch the resistance, and it's like, it makes sense that if you add more resistance, then amps would be smaller because less current would get through at a time. And so when it's inversely proportional, and you could see because when the R gets smaller, I gets bigger, and when the I gets smaller, yeah, when the I gets smaller, the R gets bigger. And I guess the opposite's true for V and I, showing their being directly proportional, where V and I get bigger at the same time, as long as R is the same, because if you change that, then I would change with it.